Decision-making is one of the most fundamental aspects of human life. Every day, we face choices that can change the course of our lives, from small decisions like picking an outfit to major ones like changing careers or entering a relationship. But what makes some decisions feel right and logical while others lead to regret? The simple answer is self-awareness. Self-awareness is the ability to recognize and understand your own emotions, values, and how they influence your behavior and decisions. In this article, I'll share insights and psychological perspectives on how self-awareness can lead to better decision-making and how you can cultivate it to improve your life. What is self-awareness? Self-awareness means having a deep understanding of yourself, who you are, what matters to you, and why you act in certain ways. It includes two main components: internal self-awareness, the ability to recognize your emotions, thoughts, and personal values; external self-awareness, the ability to understand how others perceive you and how your actions impact them. Self-awareness helps you pause and reflect before making decisions, ensuring they align with your personality and values. Why is self-awareness crucial for decision-making? When you are self-aware, decision-making becomes easier because your values are clear. Self-awareness helps you identify what truly matters to you. When you know your priorities, making decisions becomes straightforward. You understand the influence of emotions. Emotions can lead to impulsive or irrational decisions. Self-awareness allows you to recognize and manage these emotions effectively. Your decisions are purposeful. When you know yourself, your choices align better with your goals and passions. How does self-awareness affect the decision-making process? Self-awareness significantly impacts each step of the decision-making process. Let's explore how. The first step in decision-making is identifying the issue or situation that requires a decision. When you are self-aware, you can better identify the root cause of the problem. You prevent emotions from clouding your judgment. For example, if you're unhappy in your job, self-awareness can help you determine whether the problem lies in the job itself or your expectations and perspective. Good decisions require sufficient information. Self-awareness helps you recognize personal biases and focus on objective facts. Trust data and evidence over fleeting emotions. Evaluating different options can be challenging. Self-awareness enables you to eliminate options that don't align with your values and goals. Better understand the potential consequences of each option on yourself and others. Finally, you must make a choice. Self-awareness ensures that you make decisions that resonate with your personality and values. Experience less regret or doubt because your choice feels authentic. After acting on your decision, self-awareness allows you to evaluate the outcomes thoroughly, acknowledge mistakes, and make improvements for future decisions. How can you strengthen your self-awareness? If you want to become more self-aware, there are various practices and methods to help you. Writing down your daily thoughts and emotions helps you recognize patterns in your behavior and feelings. Meditation teaches you to stay present and observe your thoughts and emotions without judgment. Ask friends or family for honest feedback about your behavior. Their perspectives can reveal aspects of your personality you may not notice. Reflect with questions like, why do I feel this way? Does this decision align with my goals? Explore books and articles on self-awareness to gain new insights and refine your skills. Self-awareness has benefits beyond decision-making, influencing all aspects of your life. Improved relationships. Understanding your needs and expectations helps you communicate better and connect with others. Reduce stress. Recognizing and managing your emotions reduces stress and helps you stay calm. Increased confidence. Knowing your strengths and weaknesses boosts your self-confidence. Career growth. A deeper understanding of yourself allows you to choose a career path that aligns with your passions and succeed professionally. Self-awareness is a vital skill for better decision-making. By understanding yourself on a deeper level, you can make choices that align with your goals and values, leading to a more meaningful life. Developing this skill takes time and practice, but the rewards are worth it. Now it's your turn. What decision are you facing today? Could self-awareness help you make a better choice? Thank you for being here and supporting this journey. Your likes, comments, and follows mean the world to us and help us grow this community together. Don't forget to hit the like button and follow the channel for more inspiring content. Let's keep moving forward together.